Okay, there's the tank. I don't have a tripod or anything, so I don't know how I'm going to do this, but let's go try to put this on. I think you guys are going to miss some of the action, but let's see what happens. Okay, opened. There we go. Scissors. Okay, there's cover. There's the tank. Let's figure out which goes where, and I'll haul it right back. Okay, pretty exciting. I could check it. So it's got like a nice little thermal shield on the inside. Wow, it kind of smells. It smells bad. It smells like a cat box for some reason. Anyway, so there's that. And then we've got a nice little zipper. A handy little zipper in the front here. And then, so that'll be in the front. Then I don't know if we have a... Yep, looks like it's got a little... Yeah, oh, nice, sweet. So it's got like a little Velcro flap for the filling thing at the top. So here's the tank. Let's take a look at this. I got a little... Okay, so here's the top of it. There's the top of the tank there. So there's... We're going to... where that little hole thing goes, so we can refill the tank. Now that I got the pump in, I can't refill. I have to like run a line from the pump, a hose from the pump over here now. It's not connected up to the internal water anymore. But here's a really dumb thing. Okay, so that's the window to the bathroom, and then here's the tank. So I don't know why the tank is in front of the window. I mean, I guess I could have moved it up a little bit, but then this thing's, the connection to the mesh is in the way, so I guess maybe that's why they did that. Anyway, this is gonna be next summer's project, because we're gonna put that tank right over here, because this is in the shadiest spot. Like this part where Mr. Mower is right now, this gets no light over here, so that'll be next summer. Well, maybe we'll rebuild the pump house here. So I can't hold the camera and do the cover at the same time. So you'll excuse me, I'll be right back. All right, holy crap, what do you know? That was easier than I thought. So it's got a nice little thing. I'll make it all tight, but that's pretty cool. And then look, it comes with a little carrying case, I guess, for in the winter, but that's pretty sweet. So I guess you can watch any. There you go, zipped it up. Okay, so there's our tank cover. Looks all happy and warm. I'm wondering if I should put a brick on top of it or something. I'll probably go ahead and do that just in case. Yeah, there you go. All right, well, thanks for watching.